Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will introduce myself. My name is Yelhan Rahma. My registration number is 125514053. And I'm from Elkom E-Class 2012, State University of Surabaya. And in front of you, I will discuss and tell about logic circuit. The series logic gates are formed from several relation logic. Digital logic circuit work. The output of the logic circuit is determined by the characteristic and relationship of the gates are used. The following will discuss commonly used logic gates in a logic circuit. Logic gate is a digital circuit that has one or more inputs and only one output. The output of logic gate depending on the input signal given him. The basic logic gates are NOT and OR. While NAND-NOR XOR XNOR gate is formed from a combination of several basic gates. And the first, I will tell about NOT gate. NOT gate is also called an inverter. The gate has only one input and one output. Boolean algebra equation for the output logic NOT gate is yes. So NOT gate output is always the opposite of its input. If the given logic input is high, then the output will be generated logic low. And low logic input is given then the output will be generated logic high. And the picture of the circuit NOT like this. There are contained two resistors, one IC 7405, 74004 and one LED. And then this is the circuit. When we give input high and the output will be low, and when we give input low, output will be high, and then the LED will be on. And then the second, AND gate. AND gate is a logic gate consisting of two or more inputs and only one output. AND gate output will be high only if all inputs are high. And if only one more inputs are logic low, the output will be low. Boolean algebra equation logic gate is Y equals AB in Boolean algebra operation and gate mark time or a point. The picture of circuit N like this. This picture or the circuit contains three resistors, one IC, and one LED lamp. And then the truth table like this. If we give the first input low and the second input low, the output will be low. And then we give the first input low and the second input high, the output will be low. And then when we give the first input high and the second input low, the output will be low. And now when we give the first input and the second input high, we will get the output is high. This is because analogic high plus high is equals high. And then the third, OR gate. OR gate is the basic logic gates that have two or more inputs and only one output. OR gate output to logic high when one more input there is a logic high, and the output to logic low only when all inputs are logic low. Boolean algebra of logic equation for the for the OR gate input is Y equals A plus T equals in Boolean algebra operation OR gate mark 8. And then the picture like this. The circuit contains of 3 resistors, 1 IC and 1 LED. And then the truth table, when we give input 1, 0 and then input 2, 0, we will get the output 0 also. And then when we give the first input low and the second input high, we will get the output is high. And then when we give the first input high and the second input low, will be get the output is high. And when we give the first input high and the second input high, we will get the output is high too. Okay? Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.